Hello everyone, today I am going to paint a hand painted saree, and this was my order work, and how I am going to paint this saree, all the processes I am going to explain in this video. And the saree material is khadi cotton, very comfortable for summer, summer friendly saree, comfortable, soft, and the material is very soft, and you can wear any occasion like birthday party, in educational institutions, or any anniversary party, or any occasions you can wear it. And if you like my video, please do like, share, comments, and please do subscribe to my channel, since it is a new channel and new video I am trying to make, and please support me. This is completely pure cotton saree, so soft, and for this I am taking red color, yellow color, and green color. This is sap green color, and also black color I have taken, and this one white color.